Hello, my name is Juan. I attended Dr. Gluckman's Neuroplasticity workshop here at Region 1. I definitely gained a lot of knowledge how the brain works. I wish I had this training before I became a teacher. It should be like something required to become a teacher.
Yes, this has been one of the most wonderful experience I have had in many, many years during any kind of training. What I'm taking from this two-day training is just going to be amazing in my classroom. I can already see it. I can already feel it. I wish that other people could be exposed to her knowledge, her wisdom. I believe counselors, school counselors should be taking this course. I believe teachers, general teachers, special ed teachers, administrators, everybody should be exposed to this course.
Hi, ma'am. I just want to thank you for helping me. I'm taking tools to help my students. I felt desperate because I really didn't have the tools to help them. I appreciate what you're doing, the way you're telling us how to do it, the way you're teaching us. It's just a wonderful blessing. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Susana Carrillo, and I live in McAllen, Texas. And it's a blessing to understand and to know that with so simple tools you can change the children's life and you can change yourself, because sometimes we don't know. We are growing older and we miss so many things, and I'm very grateful to be here.
My name is Rocio Soto, and I am a parent. I came in thinking of just one more way this might help us to have a better understanding of our children's autism. But I'm leaving here with a very different mindset and knowing that there is a way to heal, that there is a process that does work. This is truly powerful and amazing and so doable. So easy to put in practice. I'm so grateful that I was able to participate. Thank you, Dr. Sandy Gluckman. I am forever in your debt, and my family too.
I've attended Dr. Gluckman's workshop, and it is very inspiring. It really opened my eyes up. Great workshop.